Namaste. Today I am going to teach you about the present perfect tense. Before this, you have already got the more information about the tense. So today I am going to teach you present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. And first we have to now the definition of present perfect tense. What is present perfect tense? What is present perfect tense? The definition of present perfect tense is the word which has finished but result is left. The word which has finished but result is left is called present perfect tense. And the structure subject have, has, be3 plus object. Subject have, has plus be3 plus object. It is the structure of present perfect tense, and in this structure there are two types of verb. How many types of verb? Two types of verb. One is singular verb and other is plural verb. Have is plural. Have always indicates the plural form of verb, and has indicates the singular form of verb. That's why we can use have with plural subject like you, we, they, and all the plural subjects. And has is used with he, she, it, and all the singular subject. Have refers to the plural and has is singular. We have to make the sentence. We have to generate the sentence by using this structure. If you write the structure, subject have, has plus be3 plus object, then you can generate the more and more sentence by using these structures. And if you make the sentence like this, you have taught a lesson. You have taught a lesson. After have, you have to use their be3. After have, you have to use their be3. And has, she has taught a lesson. It means after has, you can use their be3. In this way, we can make the sentence. In this way, we can make the sentence of present perfect tense. And in negative of present perfect tense, you can change this sentence into negative. You change this sentence to negative in this way. Subject have not be plus object. While there is a auxiliary verb, you have to only put there not. If you put there not, it means that sentence refers to the negative statement. That only you have to put there not, because have and has indicates the auxiliary verb. While there is auxiliary verb, we have to use there only not. If you put there not, then that is indicates the negative statement. Like this, you can say the negative of this sentence. You have taught a car. And you, after have, you have to put there not. You have not bought a car. This is the negative statement. This is affirmative and it is negative. And another example, they have seen. This is affirmative statement, and if you say the negative, then you can use their not after the auxiliary verb. They have not seen a tiger. Like this, you can make the negative of present perfect tense. And singular verb has plural verb have singular subject and plural subject. It means you have to know that one thing in the present perfect tense or in the tense SS and PP. While there is singular subject, you have to use the singular verb. While there is plural subject, then you have to put the plural verb. Like this, we can make the sentence and change into negative. And yes, no. Yes, no question of present perfect tense. At first, we have to know that what is yes no question, how to recognize the yes no question, how to know the yes no question. Generally, yes no question, while the question is started from the auxiliary verb, that question is known as the yes no question. Generally, while the question is started from auxiliary verb, it means have has subject between object plus question mark. At first, we have to, in the initial position we have to have there have and has. Have and has indicate the auxiliary verb. That's why it is called the yes no question. While there is the auxiliary verb comes at first, that question is known as the yes no question. Like this, have you sold this house? Have you sold this house? In the initial of the sentence, there is have. There is have. That's why it is known as the yes no question. Has she played Ludo? This is another example. Have is auxiliary verb or helping verb. After that subject, after that between, and last is the object, and it indicates the yes no question. Thank you for this video. If you like this video, then please share and subscribe my video. Thanks.